little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super colorful and fun, a rainbow flower.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw a small circle in the center. Now, draw another circle around it, just a little bigger. Awesome! Now we'll draw 5 big petals around the circle. Big, round petals, just like a real flower. Let's decorate the petals. On the edge of each petal, draw a wavy curved line. So cool! In the center circle, let's make some dot patterns, just little black dots. It looks like the seeds of the flower. Nice job, everyone! Our flower drawing is almost done. Now, let's make it pop. Go over the outlines again to make them bold and sharp. Wow! It already looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yay!
Time to add some color. Here are the color pans we'll use today, rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Look at that! So bright and beautiful. You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring your rainbow flower today. Don't forget to show it to your friends and family. Like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.